Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So today I thought I would sit down and do a first impression on a new foundation with Nykaa just dropped. So this is the Nykaa Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation. It looks something like this. It is a 30 ml foundation. So this comes in 5 shades. I would insert an image right here. I just went ahead and bought my skin color, which is 03 Warm Sand. So basically this claims to have hyaluronic acid in it, which is really good for your skin. It is actually used in anti-aging and brightening skincare products. It is even paraben free. It is fragrance free, which is again a very good thing for your skin. So what this says is that it has polylifting technology and color adapting pigments. So that means that it can change the foundation to your skin tone. So basically if you're a shade 2 but you by mistake go and pick up a number 3 or 1, then it will adapt to your skin and make it to that. So basically the girls who go online and pick up a wrong shade, you don't need to worry, because this is going to really work for you. And if you're starting out new, it's a really great foundation. It is light, it's buildable, it is quite breathable on the skin, it is not heavy, it's not cakey. When I was applying it, it didn't become blotchy or patchy anywhere on my face. The next thing it says is that it offers beautiful dewy finish. Now you can see this is the foundation I am wearing currently. It is sitting on my skin beautifully. It has been more than 2 hours that I'm filming and doing all my makeup, and so far so good. I really like it. If you can see, my cysts on my chin and on my cheek area is peeking through. My blemishes are peeking through a little bit, but I like it. On an everyday basis, you don't want a very heavy foundation which clogs your pore and sits on your skin and makes it look cakey. So it has a twisty cap thing on it, and this is the nozzle. I generally like a pump foundation, but this is quite travel friendly. It's not in a glass bottle, it comes in a plastic squeaky tube. Then see, so basically it's not liquidy to the point that it starts running outside the bottle, so that's a good thing. You just have to squeak it, and that is the foundation. Now if you can see, the foundation is a little bit runny, but not to the point where it just runs away. I really like the texture of the foundation. It's really pigmented, as you can see. It smells like coffee. I don't know, is it just me? So if you buy this foundation, please let me know in the comments down below if this smells like coffee to you as well. Yeah. It is a dewy foundation. It is not drying out to be matte. Now it's been few minutes. This hasn't turned matte at all. It still looks very dewy, as you can see. I like it, when you just want that glowy, nice, natural skin. It should feel like your skin, but you are actually wearing a foundation. Like, nobody would even understand that you're wearing a foundation if you just wear this and just lightly put some concealer on, mascara, do your eyebrows, put a nice lip balm or a lip gloss, and you're really good to go. I would really suggest this foundation for all you girls out there who go to college or who are just starting out with makeup and want to venture. Obviously, because of the color adapting technique, it's easier for you to go online and pick this one. You would never go wrong with your shade. And the second thing is it's light and buildable. So even if you put a lot of foundation on your face, it won't get cakey at all. It won't give you that drag queen kind of makeup look at all. So let's see how this performs. So today I am going to apply it with my Pack 281 brush. I really like this brush. It's one of my ride and die kind of brush. Drop some in the back of my hand. And I've already primed my skin with sunscreen, and I haven't put any primer. I just want to see how this foundation works by itself. So yeah, I'm going in, and I'm going to do like half of my face so you can see what kind of coverage it actually gives you. And I'm just buffing this product in my skin. It has a very good coverage. It's not heavy or cakey. As you can see, it's very light. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything on my skin until now. So this is how my face looks with foundation on one side and there's no foundation on this side. This is just one layer. I'm going to go in the second time and see how this foundation builds up. I'm just putting it in the area where I actually need it. I'm not going to put it on my dark circles, because obviously we are going to go in with the concealer after this. So you don't want to cake your under eye too much. So this is my skin with the second coat, and you can see that I have a little bit of blemishes. My veins can peek through, but it gives you a nice light coverage. It's very comfortable. It is, I don't know if you can see, it's a little tacky to the touch. I'll just give it like a minute or two and see if it dries. So far so good. I really like it. It's quite good. So let me complete the other side of my face and I'll be right back. So it's not matte. As you can see, it has this little glow to my face, and I think I'll have to just set my T-zone and my under eye and all of that obviously after I finish my concealer and everything. So I'm going to complete the rest of my face makeup and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I've been wearing this foundation for more than 2 hours. I think my skin looks beautiful. Like, I'm touching it and it doesn't feel tacky or oily yet. I've been sitting in AC right now, so maybe that's why. Normally most of the foundations I use always sets in my smile lines, but we'll see how this works throughout the day. I'm going to check in every 3 hours or 4 hours and see how this foundation is going to work, so that y'all get to know the entire review about this foundation. Because when I see a foundation review, I always want to see how the foundation is lasted the entire day. So I'm hoping that it will help you to decide if you want to purchase this foundation or no. So let's see if this works. Hey guys, so I'm on my way. I left my house like around about an hour ago and it's 4 o'clock right now, and I've been wearing this foundation since 9 o'clock, and the foundation has been doing really well. It's been sitting on my skin really beautifully. It's looking gorgeous and it hasn't become oily or blotchy yet. So far so good. I'll check in another 4 to 5 hours and I will let you guys know. Hey guys, what's up? So I thought I'd check in. I'm just going to do an auto test. Being in Bombay, you have to travel in auto. I love traveling in an auto. The foundation has been doing pretty well on my skin. It looks amazing. My nose has become a little oily. That's because my skin is combination. So that's the only thing I can tell you. But other than that, I'm loving the foundation. So I will check in with you guys in another few hours and see how the foundation works. Hey guys, what's up? So it's 9:30 currently and I am still out. I'm actually having dinner outside, but there's so much of music that I couldn't record. That's why I come in the washroom and I'm recording this for you guys, because I thought that, you know, I should totally update you in every 3-4 hours. The foundation has been doing so bloody good on my face. I'm blown away. Like, it has actually been more than 12 hours right now and this foundation doesn't want to move anywhere. Like, it hasn't set on my smile line. It is doing amazing. Like, my highlighter, my eyeshadow, my eyebrows, if you can see, everything is on point. Obviously my nose is a little bit oily. That's because my T-zone normally gets oily. I'm like a combination kind of person and it's so humid. I've been traveling in auto, as you saw, and it has actually passed all the tests I'm trying to do on it. It's working really well, and I think I'm going to go and I'm going to tune in again once I go home and I will show you how it's sat plus 12 hours, I think. So yeah, let's see. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back home. I'm here to give you my final thoughts about this foundation. So right now the time is 11:30 and this foundation has done such a great job. I can't even begin to tell you. I know you must be thinking that my T-zone is looking a little bit oily. That's because I am a combination skin girl, so my T-zone normally becomes very oily. So what I like to do is to take this blotting paper. This is the Clean and Clear Oil Control Film. So what it does is it just removes one film and you just take it and lightly press it on the areas where you think you have become oily. So you can see that's the amount of oil which is come out of my face. That is nothing to do with the foundation, it is my skin. Girls who have like an oily to combination skin, I think this would be really good in combination with this or with any other foundation for that matter. So there's a little tip. So I think this foundation has passed all the tests. Like travel, I have traveled in an auto, in an AC car, and I have walked in rains today as well. This foundation has performed really well. The second thing is time. I have been wearing this foundation from 9 AM to 11:30 PM and it has performed beautifully. The next thing is heat. Obviously I stay in Bombay and it is so hot. So this really performed well even in the heat. So I think you should definitely give this a try. It is really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any suggestion, please mention in the comment down below. So yeah, I think that's it. I'm just gonna go remove all the makeup off right now because this has been sitting on my skin forever. And until next time, be beautiful inside out.